webinar. So thanks a lot everyone for joining for day 2 of affiliate marketing course, which is specifically for digital marketing. So yesterday we just observed what is affiliate marketing. We understood the concept and we made sure that we at least create a Facebook page. Okay. So today let's go through what are the key to not to do things when we are just starting affiliate marketing. Okay. One, why we are going through this, because most of them it's a practice. They do all these things and they get stuck. We definitely don't want anyone to get stuck, and that is the reason we will start with something which we are not supposed to do. Okay. So yes, one, don't just deep dive into any type of research. For example, when I say create a Facebook page, what should be the name of a page? So don't go for 3 or 4 or 1 week just behind the analysis. Okay, you need to be comparatively quicker on taking such decisions. So make sure of this part. So I guess everyone have turned off. One request, just close all the videos, because it will make my life simpler for editing the videos. Okay, so videos please turn off. Okay. So do not fall into long timings when you're doing the research part. That's step number one, which we need to take care. Second is we need to not uh, fall into the trap of stating that we can sell anything. We need to be choosy. We cannot sell anything and everything. Okay, so be choosy on selecting your products. Be very selective in selecting your products. Do not have unrealistic expectations. Something like, if I start affiliate marketing tomorrow, I'll be generating a lot of passive income from very next day. That's not true. You will have to be patient. You'll have to go slow. Okay, so no unrealistic expectations. Do not have too much of information loaded. Okay, make sure that you follow one or maximum two mentors. Just follow blindly and you will see the result. Do not follow XYZ number of people and then end up just analyzing and checking who is the best. So don't fall into all these things. Just kickstart. All we need to is start. Once we start, we will have a lot of failures, we will have a lot of obstacles, we will see how to overcome them. But in order to see all these things, we need to start. Okay, so yesterday we have created the page and today we need to start. So in order to start, we need to understand the base layout of affiliate marketing, how it is actually going to work using the social medias. Okay, so when we say we are starting with affiliate marketing, all we'll be doing is first establish and make our social media really very strong. So does that mean I should have my profiles into all social media? Initially, not necessary, or else you will just land up maintaining each of the social medias. So initially, not required. Choose one as your primary social media network. Okay, and just make sure that you master it. Maximum two. Do not fall into more than two social media at start. Start with one, maximum two. Okay, once you have your social media established, all you will be doing is you will be gathering people into your website. Now comes why website. See, when you are into social media, you might have seen that one particular profile you're not going to see in detail for a longer pace, right? So you will end up looking at n number of profiles one after the other. Even when you are into maybe YouTube channel, maybe you are watching one particular video, you will see there are n number of recommendations which are there along with that video. So it simply ends up driving you to maybe n number of channels, right? But when the people are or when the audience are into your website, they are 100% only with you. That is the importance of website. They will go through each and every detail which you specify on your website. Okay, so it's a very personalized one. So all your information needs to go into website. So details of what should be there in website and all, that is the topic we'll be taking tomorrow. Today we'll be understanding the entire layout and social media. This is what we'll be focusing on. Okay, so one, make your social media strong. Second, using social media, we need to drive the entire traffic into our website. Once they are into our website, we need to make sure we keep on engaging them with email marketing system. Okay, why email marketing system? Because you have to make sure that they don't forget you. Okay, so today they have visited your website, you may give them some bonuses or some free group entry by registering, by which you start gaining their uh, email IDs or phone numbers, based on which you will then start engaging with them. Okay, does not mean that you spam their mailbox. No, we have to make sure that we are giving some relevant value to them. Okay, so value in terms of some good information or something by which they are impacted. Okay, that's a mandate. So that is email marketing system. So regularly we are giving them value, and once we are confident that we have helped our target audience to understand us, then comes funneling. What is funneling? Using this email systems, we are narrowing them and bringing them into our tribe. Okay, so I'm sorry, yeah. And finally, you will see, yes, they are belonging to your tribe and they are now your followers. They eventually are going to be converted as your customers. So it's a long process. Do not expect this to turn up overnight. It's not practically possible. Okay, one or two, okay, because maybe they are already there in your network, they know you, they trust you. But if we want to have if we have this established platform, it will do with n number of people. You will see the exponential growth slowly. Okay, so this is the entire layout on how we will be working on affiliate marketing system using the social media network. So any questions, please throw back onto the chat window, or if you have understood, just type in okay. Yeah, any questions? Great, great, thank you. So moving next comes the social media strategy. We'll be focusing today on the first step, that is our social media strategy. We have already created our Facebook page, so now we have to make sure that we engage with our audience onto our page very regularly. Okay, here we have taken the simplest platform to start with, Facebook. Though it's, I say simple, I know it's not the simplest, but yes, currently let's start with Facebook. We can keep on adding other social medias if required. Okay, so when we are working with any of these social media platforms, what we need to do, make sure that you have a personalized page or group, one, which we have already taken care. Second, whatever images, posts, logo, whatever you are posting, always make sure they are of high end quality. Okay, because if it is blur or something, it actually refers to your reputation as well. Okay, it shows what type of work we are doing. So if we have a lot of jazzy uh, type of posts onto our page, it means that we are following that particular pattern. So make sure that your particular page or group represents you. Okay, so choose the colors accordingly, choose the quality accordingly, and then post. Does that mean we start buying everything? Answer is no. Initially, not at all required. But we have lot many websites which gives you free images. Use those websites, have those images downloaded and use them. Don't simply copy paste from Google. It may end up with a lot of copyright issues. Okay. You can use any websites like pixabay.com, pixels.com. I'll be sharing these into our group so that you'll have more clarity. Okay. So use such type of platforms to get good quality images and then have them onto your page or a group. Okay. Apart from that, next is don't directly sell. Right now, we are just establishing. You're not supposed to sell. If you directly sell, you are not yet organized. You may not end up with conversions. So just hold on. Just then what to paste onto your or what to post onto your platform, social media platform, you will be making sure that you give them a lot of values. Give lots of informations. Give away free stuff. It's okay. It's a good practice. And make sure that you are authentic, you're genuine. You're not giving this particular information just to buy or gain the followers. That's not fact. You're doing this because you really want to serve. Okay. So give that particular value which your target audience really require. Then be consistent. If you're posting maybe around maybe on Mondays and Wednesdays, that's okay. 2 days in a week is okay, but make sure that it is those 2 days. Okay, so be really consistent, if possible, even with respect to time, but at least onto the days. Okay, and if possible, try to use these scheduling features which we have in most of the platform. So try using that and schedule all these for next 1 month or 1 quarter. It's one of the best practice which we can follow. So be consistent and be creative. Anything which is already available into social media platform, if you are repeatedly giving that, then people may end up losing their interest. So try to be as creative, as thoughtful as possible, and give a number of multiple options for your target audience to view. It can be images, it can be videos, it can be in terms of blog. Don't simply paste one image daily basis and say I am very consistent. It may not help. Okay, unless you're selling something like good quality images. Okay, so make sure that there are variety of posts which you are posting onto your social media platform. Use all these special features which are provided by these platforms to boost. These are really going to help you a lot, and these they will drive lots and lots of more traffic into your system, which we really want. So use all these features, especially when we are talking about Facebook. Regularly go live, have watch parties within the groups, and have a number of videos. You can definitely have a number of videos. So Facebook will also drive a lot of traffic onto your page. Okay, it will spread wider. And whatever comments you get onto your post, make sure that you reply, you acknowledge each of the comments, and you need to reply them. Okay, and have more type of engagement posts, because that will also help people to know that yes, there is a two-way conversation, and that actually builds trust, and it also builds a awareness that yes, there's someone along with we are talking. It may be on social media platform, it's not live, it's virtual, but still they will be aware about you, and they will actually, they'll remember you whenever they really want something of your niche. So make sure that you are interacting with them. Okay, so engagement type of posts, have them regularly, at least once in a week. So any questions, please let me know. No, great. So that's all for today. But what are the takeaways? One, today you need to start posting onto your Facebook page. Okay, at initial pace, I will recommend at least try to post on daily basis. If daily is really very tough, then on alternate basis start posting. What to post? Something which is going to give them some value. If you need something for reference, you can definitely log into my Facebook page, which is Sumi Ajmera, or you can join my private group, which is Let Us Learn Digital Marketing. So join these pages and groups, and you will see the variety of posts which I am posting regularly. And you can take experience from them. Again, don't copy. It will not give that impactful response to you. So don't copy, have your own creative ideas and start posting. That's first takeaway. Second, yesterday I asked you all to check on the budgeting part of the tools. Most of you all have said no. But now that I've made you understand what are these tools, I really want you all to go and check out what is the budget that will be required in order to uh, establish this entire platform. One important thing which is not here, which I have not mentioned here, are the chatbots. We will also need the chatbots. So, website, email marketing system, funnel system, chatbots. Just try to understand each of these things have n number of options. Okay. For example, when I talk about email marketing system, there are 100 plus applications which gives you the service. So it's not that difficult. Just Google and try to explore few of the options and check what is the budget required. And tomorrow, please come up with a mindset, some information, so that tomorrow I can reveal on the actual budget which is required, or what are the tools which I am offering. I'll let you all know tomorrow, and then we will take a step ahead on how it needs to be built up. Okay, so today, one, your Facebook, start making it active. Today onwards, I need one every day, post something. If you all want, just post it and send it into the group. I will also personally review your page. Okay, and second, please come up with a budget. If you want to establish your entire setup, what is the budget according to you that is really required? Okay, so these are the two action items you will be working on. We'll be meeting again at 8 p.m. on our group. Till then, have a great day. You can ask me any questions at that particular stage, because by that time, I'm assuming you will have a lot of questions. So see you all at 8 o'clock. Till then, bye bye.